Hi everyone, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so excited to have every single one of you here to celebrate this fun, super exciting Mask Monday. Yeah, that was cool, right? Intense, that's what I was going for, so yeah. Yes. Anyways, yeah, I got a little bit of extra energy today, so lucky for you. All right, like we've already established, Mask Monday. Let me show you the mask that I'm going to do, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to be opening up. Here I have the Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin Detoxifying Charcoal Bubbling Paper Mask. This is another one I believe I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I can't say 100%, but I believe that's what this is. So we're going to give this a try. Instructions for this say to apply to clean skin, so I have already washed and toned my face. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then rinse. So let's go ahead and get this on, and then I'll show you what I'm going to be unboxing today. Look at the eyes. They're like pumpkin eyes. Oh my gosh, don't get it in your mouth. Whew. This is a weird cut mask. Wow. Doesn't taste good. See, I never get them on before they start bubbling up. It's because I'm messing with it. But I have to get it on my face. So, yeah, cool. Alright, we're going to count that as good. Doesn't quite cover my whole face, but maybe I have an exceptionally large face. Who knows? Covers the chin. Ooh, there you go. Okay. Cool. We did it. Don't I look beautiful? Alrighty, there we go. We're covered. Alright. Alright, we'll leave this on for 15 minutes, and while we're waiting, I will go ahead and show you what I got. I'm sure you guys already noticed in the title, but I won a... Oh, I have bubbles in my mouth. Sorry. I won a giveaway from Stephanie over at Opinionated Horsewoman, and here is the box. She put a whole bunch of cute stickers on the front of the box for me. She always does. Stephanie loves her stickers. Guys, her YouTube channel is so much fun. I will link it down below, so make sure you go check it out. She does all kinds of unboxings. She does product reviews, and just a lot of fun. All right, let's go ahead and get her opened up. We've got a card on top with a heart sticker. I told you Stephanie likes her stickers. And I like Stephanie's stickers too. Ooh! Ah, she got me. She's got glitter in here. Well, not glitter, but, shoot, what are those things called? Oh my gosh. These. I heard them. I should have known. Look, she's got all these little twinkly twos in here. I love it. And look at all the stickers on the card. I told you she loves them. And then the front of the card says, Awesome You. And she did put more stickers on the inside of the card for us. We've got a butterfly sticker. We've got a unicorn sticker. I love her stickers. They're so cool. Oh, we've got an eyeshadow palette. That's going to go on my eyeshadow palette box. A cat? Yes. We've got a USA kitty cat. We've got a dog. My kind of dog. We've got another really pretty butterfly. My daughters like to sneak these stickers. Wonder why I'm not getting any bubbles right there. And then on the end of my nose, I look like a kitty cat. Oh, look at this. It's a watermelon sloth. Hello, little friend. Isn't that cute? I love it. Here's a sloth sliding down a rainbow. Reminds me of Care Bears. You guys ever watch those? And then we've got another silly cat sticker. Super adorable. Adorable. Let me get this off my lip. Okay, let's go ahead and take a peek at the card. Look what I did now. It's got an empty spot there too. It says, Jen, congratulations on another win. I hope you are enjoying a beautiful fall, which I am. Thank you, Stephanie. I have been enjoying the Halloween decorating myself. Stay healthy, Stephanie at Opinionated Horsewoman. Again, there's all the stickers that she gave me. She just goes crazy with the stickers. I love it. Oh, my hair's getting in my bubbles. Note to self, when you do a bubble mask, Maybe pull your hair back with a hair tie. Oh, look, it's in my mouth again. Which means I'm going to have... There, I'm going to give myself a barbell mustache. Yeah. I need to get out more. But we know this. All right, let's get into the giveaway. She has got a ton of mask on top here. This is the Creme Shop Hyaluronic Acid Essence Mask. Y'all know I love face mask. This is the Empower Her Beauty Face It Face Sheet Mask, collagen and peptide infused. I have not tried either of these before. She gave me a ceramide care mask, and this is for intense brightening, which I have never tried this one before either. That is awesome. And then she gave me a Skin Aesthetics Advanced Brightening Sheet Mask. It has vitamin C and collagen in it. Oh my. Oof, I'm getting sprayed with more stuff. All right. Next we have Clarins Paris Instant Smooth. So it says, smooths wrinkles and fine lines, blur effect texture, apply alone or before makeup, and then close lid well after use. Cool, so it can be like a primer. Ooh, this is heavy. There we go. That's what that looks like. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to blind you. That's what that looks like. Look how it's in there. It's like a little rose. Very cool. Excited to give that a try. Oh, and it has a little sticky stick with it too. An applicator, I suppose would be the right term for that, right? Awesome. We've got this Flight Mode Skincare, and this is a moisturizing overnight mask. I've used this before and I love it. You just put this on before you go to bed, and I swear, I mean, you can feel the effects immediately. I love this, and I am super happy to have another bottle for sure. These are bright. She gave us a set of 4 brushes. Neon yellow. Oh, I was just saying I needed some new mascara. This is by Illuminati. It's kind of hard to see. Sorry, guys, because of the glare. Ooh, plus, I don't hold it still. This is quite a giveaway, Stephanie. Thank you. Oh, my golly. Then there's a whole nother stack of masks down on the bottom. This is a paper facial mask by Bolero, and it is the Stay Soothed Green Tea and Lavender. Calm, soothe, and soften. I love Bolero face mask. We've got the hand mask. I just did one of these last week. I love them. They work really well. We've got the lip and under eye mask. I have seen these, but I have not tried them yet, so I am really excited to give these a try. And then her favorite, I believe, this is a hyaluronic acid bubble face mask. And I have tried this before, and I also love it. Unlike this one that won't stay out of my mouth. Which doesn't make the mask bad. I don't think you're supposed to sit here and talk for 15 minutes straight while you have it on. So next we've got some Item One Hit Prime Set and Refresh Dewy Finish Face Mist. There's the box, and it does say item. It's reflective, so I'm sorry if y'all can't read that. Let's go ahead and open this and take a peek. I need some more of this too. I'm almost done with my watermelon one that I got this summer. I'm not good at opening boxes without destroying them, but I got it. We made it. It's pretty. I love the colors, guys. Look. Oh, it's gorgeous. Got the pump spray. Ooh, and it has a nice fresh smell too. I'm excited to give this a try also. Oh, geez. And then we have a Golden Honor Beauty for Real Mango Butter Eyeshadow Palette. A Mango Butter Eyeshadow Palette? Wowzers. And this is nice fall colors too. So we've got 3 mattes and the rest are shimmers. Then we have a color saver that flies off on its own, which is good because I totally forgot to do it. Look at those. I can't wait to get my hands on that blue. I have been obsessed with blue lately for some reason, but I haven't been brave enough to try a blue look. Look at those. Are they not stunning? How exciting for fall. How exciting. So real quick, just to review, because I know I was super scatterbrained, We've got this Mango Butter Eye Palette. We've got these fantastic 4 set of eyeshadow brushes, which will be perfect for the palette. We have face mask in our mouth again. We've got a bunch of masks. I'll just hold them up. We've got this one. This one. We've got this one as well. We've got this one. I've not tried any of these. We've got the hyaluronic bubble mask, which I love, and I know it's one of her favorites too. Not tried this one yet. Super excited to have it. We've got the lip and eye mask, which I'll probably do these today while we're watching our movie. We try and do family movies on Sundays, and then I'll probably do the hand mask as well. They've also got a really nice foot mask, so yeah. Scroll moment. Then we've got our Flight Mode Moisturizing Overnight Mask. We've got the Clarins Paris Instant Smooth Face Cream. You can use it alone or as a primer. We've got our Illuminati Mascara. I have seen tons of stuff by these people before, but I have never tried it. I am ready to try this now. And then we've got our Item Face Mist, which is the setting spray, or you can use it as a face mist. It says you can prime, set, and refresh. Dewy finish. Then we've got all of our fantastic stickers and our super duper adorable card. Let me go ahead and put these back in the box. All right, guys, that is everything we got in our giveaway. Again, thank you to Stephanie over at Opinionated Horsewoman. Guys, her channel is linked down below, so make sure you go check it out. And I'm going to finish my 15 minutes, get this mask off, wipe off my face, and I will be back to close out the video. And I'm back, all fresh and clean. Guys, my skin feels really nice after that mask. Nice and moisturized. I feel like it has a nice clean smell to it, which is part of the reason I love the fragranced or the scented face mask. But remember, this one is not a very heavily fragranced face mask. It just kind of has a natural smell to it, which is nice. My skin doesn't feel sticky. It just feels nice and clean. And I feel like I got a little bit of a glow now. I should have done that at the beginning. Sorry, I missed that one. All right, so we are done. I hope y'all could keep up with me because I know I was extra scatterbrained today. I'm just having a good day and I'm in a really good mood. So before we close out this video, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button, I would love the chance to get to know you better. I did post my 800 subscriber giveaway yesterday. I will link that down in the description, so make sure you go check that out. I feel like it's a pretty good giveaway. And we have our 850 subscriber giveaway coming up very, very soon, possibly next weekend. We'll see. We're kind of flying through these 800s, and I am super grateful for that. So big thanks to every single one of you for supporting my channel. All right, guys, like I said, I hope I didn't overwhelm you too much. Maybe a smile to start your Monday or whatever day of the week it is. I hope you all have a fantastic week, and I will see you next Monday for Mask Monday. Take care, guys.